Hello guys, welcome to our video and YouTube channel. Today we are learning about authentication and authorization in of backend. Today we will cover generating authentication module, controller and service, then modify our user.schema, implement authentication service, set up JWT strategy, implement authentication controller and create JWT auth guard, and then configure authentication module and protect routes with authorization. Register the auth module in auth.module.ts, and last step is testing the API on Postman. So first we will create the folders using these commands: controller using NestJS controller and then name, same for module and same for service. Okay, let's start. NestJS controller auth. Okay, our auth module folder and controller is created. Let's create module. Our module is also created. Let's create the service. Let's choose service auth. Okay, these three files are created. Now first we have to run this command npm install @nestjs slash jwt @nestjs slash passport to install the dependencies in the project. Let's run this. Now we have to write our code in these files. Let's start writing the code. First, we have to make changes in the code in user schema file, and we have to write this code. Let's create user.schema.ts file and paste this code. So now next step is, this file is created .service.ts. We just have to write or paste this code. Okay, now we have to add this JWT strategy.ts code. First, we have to create the file for this. JWT.strategy.ts. Okay, now we have to paste this auth.controller.ts file code. This error will get resolved when I create this file, which is this JWT.ts. Now we have to correct the import. Now we have to copy and paste this code for auth.login.ts. Now two steps are pending. First is user.controller.ts file, and second is app.login.ts. Let's do that first. Import auth. We have to import the auth guard and call it in our code. Okay, now I made changes in this user.controller file. Now I will change this auth.login.ts. Okay, so now our code is ready, and let's try and look like any error will occur or not. Okay, so there is no error and our project is working fine. So that's all for now. Tomorrow we will test these change on Postman. Thank you guys. Thank you for your attention.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.